Back with another question important for the upcoming CBSE board exam. This question, many students they get it wrong because they try multiplying this and this to get the answer. But then if we do that, it's not going to be possible to get the answer. You'll get something entirely different. So we begin by considering the left-hand side, LHS. So let's write it. 1. You can write cot theta. So you write, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, and then tan theta is equal to sine by cos theta. You can say that cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Let's write that down. Cos theta by sine theta, and we can write cosec theta as 1 by sine theta. 1 tan theta, again we can write as sine theta by cos theta. So here the denominator is the same, so we can write it as 1 plus cos theta minus 1 by sine theta. In the same case here, the denominator is the same. We can write 1 plus sine theta plus 1 by cos theta. Take the LCM. So we'll get sine theta plus 1, plus cos theta minus 1 by sine theta. This is into, again LCM, cos theta plus sine theta plus 1 by cos theta. Then this step is a little tedious, but it's necessary for the solving of the proof. We'll multiply. I'll write over here. We write it down again so it's easier. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta. And then there is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta minus 1. Let's begin multiplying. On the denominator we get sin theta cos theta. The numerator first, we get sin theta cos theta sin square theta plus sin theta. Then we get cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. This and then plus cos theta. Last one, so minus 1 will be minus cos theta minus sin theta and minus 1. So here we have sin theta cos theta and again sin theta cos theta. So we can write it as 2 sin theta cos theta. Then here you have sin square theta cos square theta, which will be 1. Then you have sin theta minus sin theta gets cancelled. You have cos theta minus cos theta gets cancelled, and there is a minus 1 there. And then there is sin theta cos theta. Again, we subtract. So, and this will get cancelled with that, and we get 2, and then LHS equals RHS. Hence proved. This was a solution to this problem. Thanks for watching.